Hey everyone, welcome back in for another video. This is Simple How To's by J&A, and today we're going to be doing something that everyone should know how to do, and that's going to be checking your oil level. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to make sure our car's on and heated up. So if you've been driving it or if you've been going around town, whatever you've been doing, this is a great time. You want your car warm, but then you also are going to want to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes after you turn it off. So we're going to turn the car off, and the way to know that it was warmed up was you should be in your middle of your temperature gauge. So you shouldn't be cool or running real hot. You should be in the middle. And for almost all cars, there's a little lever down here or something that will allow you to open up the hood. For this Mazda CX-5, it's just a little latch. So we're going to pull it, and then I'm going to show you how you're able to pull the hood up. All right, so now for this CX-5. So now that it's raised up a little bit because we unhooked it, if you pull it up, and then there's a latch. If you push that latch to the right, it will allow you to just lift it up. Some cars are a little bit different, but they all have a little bit of a latch there. And then you're going to pull up your little rod, or sometimes you don't have it. Sometimes you just have a automatic hood where if you just pull it up, it'll stay. But now we're ready. Now we just need to wait 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll be ready to check it. All right, and so it's been 5 to 10 minutes, and I've got some paper towels out. I've got some paper towels to wipe the oil on, and then I've also got a paper towel to grab the dipstick with. So your dipstick's going to be somewhere around here. So mine's right here, right next to the oil, which is cool because it also says what oil. Not all cars say what kind of oil the car takes. So let's say this is low. I know what oil. It's going to be SAE 5W30. Sometimes it's over here too, in this general area if you need to add oil. So just try to, or it might be in your owner's manual. But so in this scenario, we're going to grab the dipstick. I like to have that extra paper because it can be a little bit hot, which this one is right now. And so we're going to wipe all this oil off first. We want to get an accurate reading first. And so then we're going to take our dipstick and put it back in. Go all the way down until it clicks. Pull it back out. And then we're going to check it with paper towel. So there's those two holes. We want the oil to be somewhere in there. And it looks like we're good. I see that in the reflection of the light, there is oil in between those. If it's below that second dot, you probably need to add oil to it. Because you want it to be in the middle. If you go run on oil, you can really mess up your engine. So you want to always make sure there's enough oil in your car. We're going to put it back in. So we are good. And if you need to add oil, the best way to do that is by taking the top off with the same kind of rag and putting that to the side and getting a funnel and then getting the correct oil, putting it in there, and then doing the process over again, taking the dipstick out, wiping it off, putting it back in, and checking it to see if you need to add more oil or if you're good now. So I'm going to put my top back on, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look forward to new videos.